Yeah, so I'm Shaun Lim. So I'm actually from Singapore, and I'm a grad student at UCSF. Our lab specializes in microfluidics, using single-cell approaches to look at how we can relate that to the bigger picture at hand, like the bigger biology, like how the human body functions, how the immune system response. A lot of our work centers around fabricating devices. So these devices are actually small microfluidic small channels, and what they do is that they help us form droplets that help us to encase single cells or reagents depending on what the experiment concerns.
Essentially, I think I put in.
So in my lab, I guess, and at UCSF in general, we are very collaborative. So it's really cool that you can just go over to a neighboring lab and talk to them and share ideas.
I actually did a question for you. How many droplets do you think we made for that?
But I think I really enjoy the journey, the intellectual excitement of discovery. I think that's really the enjoyable part of it, being able to problem solve and find a solution for a problem which seems initially intractable, but later on gradually yields clues as to how you might solve it. And I guess the other half of it would be, of course, a greater hope to contribute to a society and to hopefully get something out that can impact human health or lives of people in any way possible. I come from Singapore, so I did everything, elementary school, middle school, and high school over there. When I was young, I was always interested in science. I mean, I was always playing about with like models of the solar system and things like that.
Are your parents interested in science, or do you come from a science background at all?
I would say not at all. So they are more interested in, I guess their work doesn't really align with their interests a lot. So they do, they are interested in their own professional development, but not necessarily in science as a whole. I think the potential right now is largely unrealized, which is why this field is so exciting, because I think for many fields, they are very old, and there is a lot that has been studied, but this field is pretty new, I would say. And I think there's a lot of progress to be done, a lot of low-hanging fruit that we can just grab and get results for. I think primarily you would have to be very curious about the world around you, and you have to be obsessed about certain questions. And I think that curiosity is the main ingredient in being able to very doggedly pursue certain questions without giving up. Because it's all too easy to get discouraged when you don't succeed, because it might be days, months, or even years before you see a positive result. So I think it's just that determination and curiosity which really drives you to answer those questions.